Hey, guys, I've just had an epiphany. Recurring decimals can always be expressed as a fraction, where the numerator and the denominator are both integers.
I mean, I understand what you're talking about. I mean, recurring decimals can be. Things like, pi, for example, irrational numbers can't necessarily. For example, the best fraction you can express pi as is 22 over 7, which is not technically pi, it's 3.143, and we all know that pi is 3.141592655593238.
He's got a point, you know. Well, that was awkward. Thank God that's over.
I suppose another one that also has a similar thing is E, which is 2.71.
Yeah, but that's not really that useful though, because E is always used to a power of something.
No, but E is very useful in terms of exponential curves and such like.
Have you ever seen a graph of y equals e to the power of x? No.
Yeah.
No, there's always a power. It was y equals e to the power of 2x, y equals e to the power of 3x. You never see y equals e to the power of x.
But I have seen y equals e to the power of x. I mean, not in any useful function, to be honest.
It's always exponential decay.
Nonetheless, you still use e in that function. Which is 2.1. I forgot.
7-1.
So I was wondering. No, it's my line.
The whole universe was in a lockdown space, and nearly 14 billion years ago, expansion started waking. The earth began to cool, the ultras began to join, Neanderthals developed tools, we built the wall, we built the pyramids. Math, science, history, unraveling the mystery. It all started with a big bang. Bang!
I would argue it didn't actually all start with the big bang. I was wondering, how many cans of this would you need for it to be the equivalent of like a 50 centiliter, 50% bottle of absinthe or something?
Well, quite simply, units can be expressed as the amount of volume in the can, in litres, multiplied by the percentage of alcohol in that can, such that a half-litre can at 5% would be half litre is 0.5 times by 5 percentage, which is almost 2.5 units. So that can there, I believe, LEC is 4.5% in a half-litre can.
It's 5.2.
5.2%. That's a 5%. So if you take 5.2 times by 0.5, this is the volume of that can. We will find that we have 2.6 units. And so what volume of vodka were you comparing it to?
About 40% alcoholic content and about 50 centiliters.
50 centiliters. Centiliters are 10 to the minus 2 liters, am I correct?
Yeah.
Minus 2 liters. So 20 centiliters is 0.2 liters.
No, minus. No, yeah. Sorry, you're wrong.
You're a twat. 0.2 liters at 40% is 0.2 times 40, which is 0.1 times 40, which is 4 times 2 is 8 units. Is that right? Must be. And 8 units, so that's 2.6 units, did I say? So if we have a calculator, we do 8 divided by 2.6, and that'll give us the amount of that, which will be
I need a calculator.
a decimal answer.
2.6 divided by 8.
No, 8 divided by 2.6, you twat.
What was the joke?
This is a Polish beer. A strong Polish beer with ingredients of in descending order. Wort, malt barley and hops, and some Polish words. You may not drink it whilst pregnant, so Jack, you can't have any. You must throw it in a bin, and Alu the camera of that. Anyway. At 0.5 litres, at 7%, this is a 3.5 unit can!